Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 9th November 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 24, number 41, number 22, number 13, number 2 booster number 31 UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 7, number 23, number 26, number 32, number 40, booster number 45. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.